So I use the internet like literally every day for gaming, for entertainment, or for some other stuff. But I never actually understood how it works. But today, I'm gonna change that. You know what I'm saying? So I put on a hat because my hair looks like trash right now. So let's start with part 1. IP address. So basically, have you ever thought that, wait, where are they sending the data? Like, how do my device get the data? So that's where the IP address goes. So basically, as you can see here, look, that's your laptop, right? So basically, you will be sending a data to your laptop. But how, right? So basically, that's where IP address goes, boy. Basically, an IP address is the location of your laptop. So basically, the other device can know what or where to send the data. So your laptop has a unique IP address that the other device in the network will know, right? Let's say that IP address is 192.168.1.4.3, right? So basically, that's where the other the other device will send the data, right? So that's what an IP address is. But why am I? So now we're gonna be moving on to DNS. So basically, DNS is what turns names into IP address for your laptop to find and connect, right? So here's the example. So now we're gonna be searching youtube.com. See, we're just searching a name, but how does the computer actually understand where is youtube.com, right? When you enter it, the DNS translates it to an IP address that lets your computer understand where to connect. So see, now we are at youtube.com. That's how simple DNS is. It just translates names into an IP address for your computer to connect. But how do we actually understand that we are getting a connection from YouTube? Okay, this is how we find the YouTube's IP address by going to the CMD. I forgot I was clicking Control C for some reason. So now we're gonna try and ping YouTube. Boom. See, now that is the IP address of the YouTube. You can see that 142.250.207 and 46. That is basically the server of the YouTube, which translates the name into this so that our laptop can actually connect to it. Now this is basic, but that just simplifies. That's how the internet actually works. I'm really bad at explaining right now, but that is day 25, y'all. Panahit day 30 soon. I don't know what I just did, but y'all please subscribe. Thank you for watching, and more content to come soon, baby.